have the sheets out in front of them, okay? All right, we're going to do a little bit of remediation, and we're going to go over some of the problems from our test. All right, now we're here, and we're going to USA test prep, and we're going to practice some of the problems that y'all have a big emphasis there before USCT. We're not going to go straight down the list, but we're going to kind of jump around. I'm going to get a couple of you maybe come up here and try some as well. All right, let's look at number 2. All right, we've already went over number 1, now look at number 2. All right, given circle B, what is it asking us to find?
Angle ABC.
ABC. Where's ABC at?
The dot arrow point thing.
Yeah, we always look for the point. Well, that's not going to work. So, all right, we're always looking for the middle letter as being our middle point of our angle. So ABC, we're looking for that angle right there. What kind of angle is that? Inscribed. All right, when there's an inscribed angle, there's always a, what kind of arc? Look everybody, what kind of arc? You have an inscribed angle that starts with I. You have an intercepted arc. You remember that?
Oh.
Your inscribed angle is always going to be your vertex on the circle. Your intercepted arc is intercepting it. Alright? It's always going to be right there on the arc. Alright? When they give us the intercepted arc, what is the theory we use to solve for an inscribed angle? How do we know how to find it? Alright. Let me see if I get a notebook up here. Hold on one second. Has he been able to get that? Alright. Let's look over here, okay? We're on the dropboard. Alright? Remember, if we have a circle here and we have a central angle, alright, if this is 46 degrees, what's this?
Half of that.
But it's a central angle, it is always the same as the arc. 46 degrees. Alright? Now, if we have this right here, from the vertex on the circle, if this is 46, then it's going to be half. Remember, if the vertex is on the circle, it's going to be half of the intercepting arc. Okay? When the vertex is on the circle, it's going to be half the intercepted arc. Alright? Knowing that, what's going to be our answer right here? 23 degrees. Alright? Is everybody good with that? Destiny, you good? Alright. We're now making charts. Alright. Let's look at number 5. Okay, this is going to be a big refresher. We haven't done this since the beginning of the year. Alright? Number 5. Alright? What kind of problem are we dealing with right here? Quadratics. Alright? Alright? Y'all remember quadratics?
Yeah.
What kind of graph does quadratic make?
U.
U, which is also a parabola. Good. Alright? Now, the question right here on 5 says, each statement describes the transformation of the graph of y equals x squared. Okay? That's just your graph right here. If it's y equals x squared, this is what the graph's going to look like right here. Here's going to be a vertex right in the middle. Bam. Right, 0, 0. Alright? Now, which statement directly describes the graph y equals x minus 5 squared plus 6? Alright, first off, alright, what kind of form is this in? There's 2 types of form of quadratics.
This thing is vertex.
Vertex form. What's the other kind called?
Standard.
Standard. Alright? How do we know if it's a vertex?
It's got parentheses.
It's got the parentheses, okay? It's a big giveaway, okay? Now, alright, standard for the vertex form of quadratics is this right here. No, sorry. Where's the problem? Make sure not to do that. Alright, remember this? X minus h squared plus k?
Yeah.
Alright? Now, knowing h, alright? How do we put this in an ordered pair? Alright, which one's first?
H.
H. So it's going to look like this right here. Sorry you can't see this in that smartboard. HK, okay? Alright? Now, next step, remember, what axes are H on? What X? Yeah. Joey, what axis are K on? Right here, look at this problem. Y'all need to pay attention to the other figures, okay? Alright. Let's go. Our K is going to be our Y. So you think of of it just like this, X, Y, all right? Good. Now, when it's a vertex form, there's one more thing we need to know. What do we do with the H? What do we do with that sign there? Changes. Do we do the same thing with K? No. All right. So knowing this problem here, if it's in vertex form, we can look directly at it and find our vertex. All right. So right here, what is going to be our vertex of this problem?
It's going to be positive,
Positive 5, 6, right? All right, good. All right. We just pretty much solved it. Now that we know that, all right, which way are we going to look? So we're on a graph. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I thought you were going to go left on. Oh, wait, go this way.
Nope. All right. Positive 5, so we go over 5, and we go up to 6, which is going to be right here. All right. Which way does the graph face? Why?
Because it's positive.
The A is positive, so our graph faces up. Okay? Good. All right. Now, let's look at our options for H.
What's the
Okay? A's right there between each. Yeah, correct. All right. It's invisible to 1. Okay. All right. Now, let's look at our answers. All right. First of all, what did everybody get for an answer?
C.
C? Everybody get this one right?
No,
Raise your hand if you got it right. Okay, about half and half. Good. All right. All right, so right here. Let's go ahead and eliminate them. All right. Is the graph of x, or y equals x squared, translated 6 units down? Well, we can go and tell right there. We know this thing goes up, right?
Yeah.
So A, bam, mark it out. It's not right. So the next one. Is the graph of y equals x squared translated 6 units down? No, it's still going up. It can't be going down. Now, let's look at C. Is the graph going 6 units up? Yes. Is it going 5 units to the right? Yeah. So what's our answer?
C.
C. Good.
I think I remember.